gates 829 through 855. Luggage claim 87.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Off-Road Diaries. My name's Jonathan. Krista and Baby Miles won't be with me on this one, unfortunately, but we're here in Michigan, guys. Check this out, man. You got cars, a racetrack. I've got to find the Whiskey Throttle crew. They're somewhere. I don't even know. I've never been here before. Either way, I'm excited to be here. There's trophy trucks, all kinds of cool stuff. Let's do some racing, guys. Let's watch some racing. I've seen videos that Zach has done, and I know this track is crazy, but yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun, guys. I'm so excited. This is a different style of video than we typically make. We do racing and stuff like that, but I don't know. I just always wanted to come to this event. It's called Dirtfest here in the middle of nowhere, Michigan. Holy crap, that's the guy. Yeah, get it. We found the Whiskey Throttle crew. We got Livy and Parkman here. Say hi to the camera.
How's it going?
Man, this place is wild, guys. I probably said that. I'm gonna have to edit myself saying this is wild like multiple times. The Whiskey Throttle crew's over there somewhere, and we're just hanging out here at a jump. Blake Wilkie's here. There's so many freaking people here. 60 on there. It's had a problem with wanting to like record sometimes, so I did throw the 360 on it, and hopefully we'll catch some cool footage. If not, it'll be me talking again in a second, just recording with the other camera.
We on a mission now. We serving robots, taking no shots, see the vision now. It's cherry cashing now. Watch me rise, take it to the top. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Never beg, don't have begging friends. Set the tone, we set the trends. They don't wanna see me win. Prayed on my downfall like many men. Way back time and moving solids till it's popping. Yes, dog. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, guys, so they're about to do qualifying. Everybody else has just been practicing and whatnot, but they're about to do qualifying. And then looks like Colt might be in the very front. I think that's Frankie over there in his new Maverick R that he got. So I believe they're gonna be, they draw numbers, and the numbers is where you start.
Thank our sponsors for helping us through this event.
Let's see what happens.
With the team on my back, never fold, never crack. The wolf always roll with a pack. Now tell me how you like that. Put the team on the map, bridging and filling the gap. Never fold, never crack. Now tell me how you like that. We breaking the mold and aiming for gold. We here to take everything, even your soul, yo. Tell me how you like that. We live and we grow, obsessed with the green. I'm Willem Dafoe. We deal with the foes and turn them to ghosts, yo. Tell me how you like that. How you like that? Ready for the smoke with my team like drags. Let's see if they really how they seem on the app. I see them on the street, they don't know how to act. Let's lay a trap, playing it cool, but it's part of the strap. Watch how they react. We throwing cheese at the rats. Yeah, we know they easy to catch. Show me the stats. I've been in the game for a minute, it's different. I had to adapt. I came with the boom bap, sticking to raps, but it put a limit on what I attract. Let's go with the facts. We all got potential that's going untapped. If you don't attack, I do it for me, my team, my family tree. Tell me how you like that. Put the team on my back, never fold, never crack. The wolf always roll with a pack. Now tell me how you like that. Put the team on the map, bridging and filling the gap. Never fold, never crack. Now tell me how you like that. We breaking the mold and they aiming for gold. We here to take everything, even your soul, yo. Tell me how you like that. We live and we grow, obsessed with the green, I'm Willem Dafoe. We deal with the foes and turn them to ghosts, yo. Tell me how you like that. Tell me how you like that. Tell me how you like that.
Okay guys, so that, I was actually wrong. I think I might have said that the turbo class is going first. It's actually the NA class. And these guys are scooting. There is a Wildcat XX. And this dude, he's like 25 cars away, man. It's freaking crazy. Trying to understand how the heck that guy got so far ahead on a naturally aspirated car. I mean, he's literally, I don't know, 100 plus cars ahead of everybody. Okay guys, I'm attempting to fly this drone. I apologize, I will get better as I practice. But now it's the turbo class. And the NA cars were scooting, but cars having more power on this track and actually going fast. I was talking to Chad Brunton and he was telling me, he's like, dude, there's chaos here when they actually race. Today's not the race, tomorrow is, but this is qualifying, so they're trying to figure out who is going to get pole position. So that's what we're about to record now. Good luck, Colt. Caught Colt on that one, man. He did good. He got past somewhere. I didn't see it on the camera, and pardon me for not having a clue how to fly this drone. It's terrifying because there's trees and power lines. It's not like the desert. But we got another heat. Another qualifying. This looks like Leo's in this one.
Like Dave opened up that gap quite a bit to the number 2 spot.
I know you guys are trying to figure out how all this actually works. So what's going on? Like I said, qualifying, all that good jazz. First place guarantees to go into the race tomorrow. Second place has a second chance to get in. So basically, there goes Colt again because he got second. I'm pretty sure he's got this one, but there's a hell of good drivers out here. So let's see what happens. Come on, Colt. Come on. There you go, baby. There you go. All right, Colt's got the lead. Took it early. Nice. Clean jump, brother. Clean jump. There you go. Looks like you got it. Oh, nice. Guys. Just lapped the car. So it looks like as long as Colt makes this last little bit over here, which is over there, we can't really see that part. And I'm gonna start jumping other places, guys, and try to record. It's just I'm underneath a shady tree on a sunny day. There we go. That's it.
Basically, it brings it down to like 35 cars. Because 7 get eliminated today.
7.
Or no.
More than that. Because if there's 7 heats, that means there's 7.
Go on,
there's 7 last chances.
Top 1 goes on, and then they redraw straws. I don't know. Scott was trying to explain it, and I was lost. I was like,
I don't understand what's going on, guys. I just know Colt's gonna race.